Okay, hi, we're back. This is 4.1b. We're going to look at a kind of a different example where the truck driver drives 1 hour at a velocity of v of t equals 240t minus 240t squared. Notice this is a parabola, faces down, and so that's what this is right here. This is v of t, this line right here. Whoop. Okay, note if we put a 0 in here, we get 0, so v of 0 is 0. If we put a 1 in here, that point, we will get 240 minus 240, which is 0, and that's that point right there. Okay, so how we would do this is we would integrate from 0 to 1 of v of t dt. Now that just equals from 0 to 1 of this formula right here, which is 240t minus 240t squared dt. And again, we'll learn how to do that later. But if we were to go ahead and do an estimation and split this up into 4, L4, okay, well, L4 is different in this problem because we have 1 hour. So this is 0.5, so this would be 0.25. So these are 0.25 1/4 increments. So our delta x is 0.25. And then we have v of 0 plus v of 0.25 plus v of 0.5 plus v of 1.5. Okay? So in doing that, we get 0.25. V of 0 is 0. V of 0.25, if we put it into our equation right here, right into here, we would get 15. If we put 0.5 into this equation right here, we would get 60. And then if we put 1.5 into our equation, we get 45. All right, that's 0.25 times 130, which equals 32.5 miles. All right, so now I'm going to give you some WebAssign hints, and then for 4.2, we will actually begin integrating. It's actually fun. You're going to enjoy it. I promise you. All right, so here's some WebAssign hints. WebAssign hints. I'm only going to give you a couple of them. I could give you more, but I think I'll give you enough to get started. Okay, so let's do a problem where it looks like this. All right, this is for number 1. Okay, we're going to go out 2, 4, -2, -4. And so you can make these points just like I have them. All right, this is at 2. Here's 1. So 2, 1, we're going to make a point. 4, 2, we're going to make a point. And we're going to draw from here to here. It actually should look the same. It looks a little bit different here. Okay? And then at -2, we're going to go -2, 1. And we're going to draw a line here. Okay, so there's a picture of a graph, and a type of question will say, on the interval from 0 to 4, find the area. Okay, so that's the actual question. From 0 to 4, find the area. Well, we're looking the area from here to here, so this is what we're looking for, from 0 to 4. Now, how can we find that? Well, we don't quite have a triangle there. We've got some weird shapes there. So why don't we do something else? Why don't we take the area of this rectangle and subtract the area of the triangle? So I'm going to draw that. We're going to take the area of a rectangle and we're going to subtract the area of this little triangle that we have. Okay, so the area of the rectangle, we have 4 spaces, 4 times 2. Okay, and we're going to subtract the area of the triangle, which is 1/2 base times height. Okay, 1/2, we'll call this the base, 4, times the height from here to here is just 1 unit. All right, so we have 8 minus 2, which equals 6 units squared. Okay, so let's do another one using the same example. Now they want you to find the area from -2 to 2. From -2 to 2, we have a different picture. So I'm going to erase this now. And we're looking for a different picture. We're looking from here to here. All right, we're supposed to find that area. So how could we do that? Well, same thing. What if we made this and this? Then we've got a rectangle, all right? Then we can see we could take the area of the rectangle and we could subtract these little triangles, okay? So in doing so, the area of the rectangle, once again, is 4 times 2. Now these triangles, what are they? From here, the base is 2 and the height is 1. So minus 1/2 base times height, which is 1. And we're also minus this one, 1/2 base times height. All right, so in doing that, we have 8 minus 1, which also equals 6. Okay, all right, a couple more hints to get you started on the homework. All right, just so you know, when you're looking at the problem, f of -4 equals 3.5. That'll help. You'll know what that means when you get there. Okay, and for 5, the area represents the total variable cost. Okay, let's see if I have any more for you. No, they're about the same. Let's see. I'm going to do, I think, 25. I'll show you something on there. If you have a picture here, this goes to 250, and you'll know what it means when you see it. And this is 20, and they're going to show you, it's going to go look like that. Okay. And you're supposed to find the variable cost, which would be the area. Variable cost would be this area. Now, how could we find that area? Well, we're going to do the same thing we did before. You'd find the area of the rectangle and take away the area of the triangle. All right, all done for now.